Hello and welcome to Q Rangers. My name is James and I'm joined with my good friend, QBot.
Hello everyone.
We are so excited to be teaching you today. Come on, let's go. Follow us to the classroom. Today we are going to be making a toy block in Tinkercad. I love playing with toy blocks, so I'm super excited to create this one. All right, so QBot, what should we do first?
First, let's add a box. Set the length to 31.8, the width to 15.8, and the height to 9.6. Next, we need to add some pegs, James.
That's right. Add a cylinder for the pegs. Now we will set the dimensions.
The length and the width will be 4.84. The height will be 1.8.
Now we have our peg. Now click on the cone to bring it up to the top of the box, about 9.6.
To move this peg to its final position, we need to use the ruler tool. Click it and then click the point where we want it to land. Hover over here and choose Use Midpoint. To position something on the ruler, select the shape you want to position and it fills the measurements here. Click here from the original point that we selected. We just need to put in 3.9 here and here. Dismiss the ruler tool.
Now we need to create 8 pegs and arrange them on top. We're going to use the duplicate tool. Hold Shift and drag it out and change this position to -8 and hit Enter. Select this peg and use the duplicate and repeat tool. Do this twice. Those are the pegs for our first row.
Let's add our second row of pegs. To do this, select all 4 pegs and duplicate them. Select them and move them in this direction and change this value to 8. Now we have our second row of pegs. Group everything together.
Okay, it's time to hollow out the bottom.
We will use the striped box here, which is the removal or hole tool. Drag it out and set the dimensions. The length will be 28.9 and the width will be 12.9. Make the height 8.6.
Okay, let's position it to the top of the box. Select both of the boxes and click on the Alignment tool. Click on the points here and here to align the removal box to the inside of the red brick. Now group them. If we move the view, we can see where the box was removed. Okay, what's next, QBot?
Next, we will add the legs. Start with a cylinder. Let's set the dimensions. The length and width will be 6.5 and the height will be 8.6. Drag a whole cylinder. Make the length and width 4.8. Then set the height to 8.6.
Use the Align tool to center these within each other. Select both of them and align by clicking here and here. Now we have our leg shape. Select both shapes and group them to hollow out the cylinder.
Let's create our 3 legs first. We're going to do that the same way we did our pegs. Duplicate the cylinder and move it out. Click the duplicated cylinder and change it to -8. Hit Duplicate and Repeat. Select all 3 pegs and group them together. Now select these 2 shapes to align them. Click here and here to center them. Group them together.
Let's change its color to green and our brick is complete. Thanks for joining us and we'll see you again next time.
Don't forget to practice at home.
Bye-bye.